Hi, I'm Donald with SteamBrite Supply, and today we're going to talk about a hose mount vacuum booster. Now, if you have a portable that you feel like you just need more suction, well, this might be an option for you. This can be used with any make and model brand of truck mount or portable, and literally just installs between two sections of vacuum hose. You can see it has 2-inch barbed fittings here. If you want to use the 1.5 inch, we do also sell an AH46 expanded hose cuff, so this will work with 1.5 inch hose. But normally for people that have maybe only one Vac motor, or maybe they have a smaller 15-amp vacuum system or whatnot, and they're trying to do some really long hose runs, this is a pass-through hose mount vacuum booster, which means this is not going to hold any water. If I have my machine here, I have a piece of hose hooked to this, and then I have this going 100 feet or 200 feet to my wand or tool. This is not going to hold any water. It's actually just going to let the water and dirt pass through it, and it's still going to all accumulate into your machine. Now, this particular unit, we did put, grab here, we put some rubber feet on the bottom so it won't scratch the floor. We optionally will have a caster set that you can have on here if you want to have it, be able to roll it around. This comes with 25 feet of power cord, stainless steel on-off switch, circuit breaker. The vac motor on this is a Amatec Lam 6.6 two-stage vac motor, pulls about 12.5 amps. So as long as this isn't stronger than your machine, you can use it. Normally most portables are going to be 15 to 20 amps vacuum, so then this would be fine. This is probably going to add anywhere from 75 feet to 100 feet of extra hose length that your machine capabilities currently offer. It's fairly easy to service. We have 2 stainless steel bolts on the side. If you ever need to clean the filtration system that's mounted between here and here, that's protecting this, you just simply unbolt this, and this lifts off for you to be able to clean the lint filtration system. Has dual lift handles on the side, and certainly might be an option for you if you wish you bought a bigger machine the first time around.